Hey everyone, welcome back to another Internet Guru. Today I'll show you how to check penalty points on Driving Licence UK. First of all, visit the official website. Go to www.gov.uk using your phone or computer. Search for driving licence services. Use the search bar to type View Driving Licence and click on the result that says View or share your driving licence information. Start the process. Click on the Start Now button. Sign in securely. You'll need the following: your driving license number, your national insurance number, your postcode. View your driving record. After signing in, you can see any penalty points on your license, disqualifications or endorsements, vehicles you're allowed to drive. Thanks for watching another Internet Guru. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a daily drop.